And, as a tech worker, I mean, if you're listening to this and thinking about where you sit in this world, like, think about how your world has shrunk. When I entered the tech industry, the dream everyone had was, I'm going to work for this big dumb tech company for 3 years, and I'm going to start my own tech company. I'm going to bankrupt them, right? And then like Compaq buying DEC, right? Or SGI buying Cray, right? And then it was like, okay, well, that's not going to happen. But I'm going to work for this big dumb company for 3 years. I'm going to do a fake startup. We're going to make a proof of concept product. Then we're going to get acqui-hired by the same company again. It's a super inefficient way of getting a promotion and a bonus, but I'll get to call myself a founder, right?
There you go.
And then that dream shrunk again. And it was like, I guess I work for this company for life. They pay me really well. I get free massages on Wednesday. There's kombucha in the staff cafeteria. And now, if you're a Googler, it's like, I'll work for this company until they lay off 12,000 of me and my colleagues within months of having done a stock buyback that would have paid all of our wages for the next 27 years. And the reason they can do that to the people that they used to court with such ardor because they thought that their future lay in talent markets is because they're the phone company and they don't have to care, right? The way that you get to make a dent in the universe again, the way that you get to dream big about doing stuff that matters is by having some controlled fire in these big, overgrown, fire-indebted old forests that we stopped allowing to burn down periodically. And when that good fire opens up some space in the canopy, when we let them fail, rather than propping them up over and over again with more and more regulatory capture, with more and more acquisition of the bona fide threats, then you personally, the tech worker who knows how to do stuff, you get to escape the inexorable proletarianization that you're living through now, where all you can hope for is to work until you're fired, and to enter back into that amazing dream that we once all had of really changing the world and doing things that make ourselves memorialized in the annals of tech forever.